Music is amazing. It can change how we feel. A happy song can make us smile. A slow song can make us think. Music brings people together. We dance and sing along. Music makes life better. Think about a time you heard a song you love. Maybe you were with friends. Maybe you were by yourself. Either way, the music made you happy. That's the power of music. Songs are like souvenirs for our lives. We remember special moments when we hear certain songs. A first dance at a wedding, a graduation party with friends. These songs take us back in time. When I hear September by Earth, Wind and Fire, I think of dancing with my wife Portia. It was our wedding song. Music makes memories even more special. Music can change our lives. Remember that singer who started on YouTube? Now they are a big star. Music gave them a voice. It gave them a chance to share their talent. There was a young woman who loved to sing. She was too shy to sing in front of people. One day she sang at a karaoke night. Everyone loved her voice. She became more confident. She even started her own band. Music changed her life. Music is a powerful thing. It makes us happy. It helps us remember. It can even change our lives. The best part is that music lasts forever. We can enjoy it over and over again. So put on your favorite song, sing along, dance like nobody's watching. Let music make your life better. It's a gift we can all enjoy.
Kamusta sa inyong lahat? Handa na ba kayong tuklasin ang kamangha-manghang mundo ng musika, awit, at karaoke? Tara na! Parang mahika ang musika, di ba? Gumagamit ito ng mga tunog na nagpapasaya, nagpapalungkot o nagpapaindak sa atin. Ang awit naman ay isang espesyal na uri ng musika na may mga salita. Nagkukwento ito o nagsasabi ng nararamdaman parang isang maikling pelikula para sa ating mga tenga. Dito na papasok ang totoong saya, ang karaoke. Kakanta ka kasabay ng paborito mong mga kanta, pero wala yung original na kumakanta. Ikaw lang ang musika at ang galing mong boses. Parang ikaw yung sikat na singer sa bahay o kasama ang mga barkada mo. Kaya sa susunod na makarinig kayo ng magandang kanta, tandaan, ito ang mahika ng musika, ang kwento ng isang kanta, at ang saya ng karaoke. Handa na ba kayong kumanta ng bonggang-bongga? Tara, kanta na tayo!